Uova farcite. Deviled eggs, Italian style. I think everybody loves deviled eggs. They're always a hit at every party, cocktail party, appetizer, christening, whatever you're doing. And they're easy. There's a little change in the Italian version, and let me show you. So, you boil the eggs, and you have them nice and gently. You scoop out all of the yolks. So these are the ones that we're going to fill. Now, you know, traditionally you put some mayonnaise to bind all the filling, but I'm gonna make a dressing just out of all these natural things that we have. So let's put the egg yolks right in here, a little bit of the white wine vinegar, some mustard, okay, and olive oil, just a little bit of salt, okay. Let's check it out. Yeah. And this is nice and dense. And you know, a good tip while we're here, when you want to make a salad dressing, you do your oil and vinegar, and then you put an egg yolk in there and a little bit of mustard like that, and you make it nice and loose, and it makes a great salad dressing. Okay, so this is the basis. And then, of course, the Italian way, lots of vegetables. Here I have some really finely chopped fresh zucchini, not cooked. Roasted pepper, chopped. Some cornichons, just for crunch. These are these cured little pickles. Some chopped capers. And some chopped parsley. That's as easy as it gets. Could you make this before? Yeah, you could make this before. Just cover it with plastic wrap so it doesn't oxidize. And, you know, I always taste things just to see if it's anything missing. It's perfect. We're gonna begin to fill the deviled eggs Italian style. Take a spoon, and all you need is to just slide it in, just like that. And the less you fuss with it, the nicer it is. It doesn't have to be all in. I think just like that I'm okay with it. So this takes a while. You keep on going. You know, while I'm here doing that, I have a nice question from Elizabeth Templeton from Texas. And Elizabeth wants to know, what are some quick and easy Italian appetizer for a cocktail party? Well, this is the show, Elizabeth. And it's all about a party, a cocktail party. It's about cocktails, but you'll have devil's eggs. I just made some baked clams. We're gonna have some meatless meatball. So just stick around, and certainly there's plenty of Italian little niche-nash for a cocktail party. Okay, so we had plenty for stuffing our eggs, and I think I have here just enough for a sandwich for tomorrow for lunch. Maybe a little ham with this on a toasted whole wheat bread. I think that will be pretty good. Okay. Here we are ready. Now a little bit of parsley, just a little bit on each one, I think, to give us some color. I am picky here. Could you do just like that? Of course you could. And your plate will be decorated as well. Okay, I'll take this one. And let's see, a little bit of parsley. Maybe you want it in the middle? I think so. So that looks beautiful, easy, presentable. And I'm going to taste one right now. So let me, Deviled egg, delicious, with an Italian twist. Lots of crunchy vegetables in there.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, Visit us online at lydiasitaly.com.